Welcome to this week's Too Long Didn't Read version of Ask Eli. Last week we took a look at the single family market performance in Arlington in 2022, and this week we're going to do a deep dive into the Arlington condo market. What we saw was a continuation of the trend of very little to no appreciation in the condo market. And that's been the case since 2020, after the 2019 boom on the heels of Amazon's HQ2 announcement. In 2021, we saw a huge buildup of inventory as there was a flight out of condo markets through COVID. And we've actually been able to reduce the majority of that inventory, and we're now operating below the 10-year average in inventory. And so I think that because of supply levels, we will actually see some upward pressure on pricing over the next couple of years. Let's get into the data. The average price of a condo last year increased by 2.6% on average to about $502,000. The median increased by 1.7% to $427,000. Now, one thing that I also looked at was what happens if you take new construction out of that data. And so if you remove new construction, the average price of a condo last year only appreciated 0.6%, and the average went from $502,000 to $463,000. Over the last 5 years, the Arlington condo market has appreciated by about 10 to 20%, just depending on what submarket you're looking at and the way you're looking at the data. And the vast majority of that appreciation happened after the Amazon HQ2 announcement in around 2019. And since then, it's been pretty flat. And if you take new construction out of that data as well, the appreciation cuts to about half of that. And that's particularly pronounced in North Arlington and in the two-bedroom condo markets. Both of those markets over the last 5 years show a 20% appreciation. But if you remove new construction from that data, you actually see that appreciation on existing sales is about 10%. Most people go into their search looking for a specific bedroom count, so it helps to know what the distribution of sales looks like in Arlington. So over the last 5 years, about 2% of condos have been studios with no legal bedroom, about 39% have been one bedrooms, 51% two bedrooms, 8% three bedrooms, and about 0.5% have been four bedrooms or more. If you break the market down by zip code, you'll find that the Roslyn market is still by far the most expensive, with a lot of luxury condos in the area. If you want a piece of real estate near Amazon HQ2, you're in luck, because the 22202 market is still pretty reasonably priced. However, it does come at the cost of being the most expensive on a condo fee per square foot basis. Interestingly enough, the North Arlington market of 22207, which is a really expensive single-family townhouse market, is actually the second cheapest on a price per square foot basis. It'll be interesting to see if that influences developer decisions in missing middle and steers them more towards duplex and triplex instead of fiveplexes and sixplexes that are more like multifamily condo. If you're looking for all of the data, just click on the article, and thanks for reading.